of prefrontal cortex, it is still developing. Teens often struggle to create logical roadmap, leading to answers that ramble and lose focus. So what does one of the mothers say? My son will write in one word or one sentence. The reason is this. Under construction of prefrontal cortex. The body, it's like under construction of some muscles, we will not be able to hold the ball. When the child is small, they won't be able to hold the glass, they won't be able to hold the spoon, because under construction of this muscle. Now this we are talking about the brain muscle. Let me know from mothers, teachers, where they say, okay, today we will only read out questions and know if you have understood the question. No. We will read out and they have to answer. Now please do reverse. Most of the time the children are not understanding the question. So for every lesson, please make or have a set of questions which you only ask them to read and tell what is asked in this question. I don't want your answer. What? This is one of the biggest tools to start preparing the child for exam. And this is not done during the exam. This is done every day. What do you understand by this question? Just tell me only that much. So first is understanding the question. Second, formulating the intended argument. The question is, why does the apple fall down? And why doesn't it go up? So first is, what is the question? Second, what is the argument? Third, grammar rules. So when does grammar rules come in children's life? How do children learn grammar? Is it only in grammar classes? We all have this grammar classes. Language papers. Is it only in language classes and grammar classes? Then we are doing very little. Because language classes are only once a week. So when are we learning grammar? It's learned through daily reading. It's learned through listening to English. It's learned through watching English or whatever language they want to write in related content. Is this happening in their child's life? If not, grammar is not going to develop. Then they will only develop what is noun, types of noun, what is preposition, the types of preposition, what is adverb, types of adverb. Where to use and how to use is not taught. When the child starts speaking sentence, grammar develops. Correct. So how much of opportunity is the child getting to develop that grammar? If we are vernacular speaking family, Telugu, Hindi, Punjabi, Marathi, Marwadi, there is no grammar happening there. So the challenge occurs in writing also. Until unless they have good listening of English.